Hi, in this video we're going to talk about one of the most commonly physical defects in poorly finished paints, that is blistering. Blistering occurs when bubbles of air pockets form under the paint layer, and it is due to an interaction between the paint and the application surface, or due to issues related to the drying process. The physical or chemical reasons include poor substrate cleaning or excess moisture, and improper paint drying. Excess moisture causes water or air bubbles with moisture to form at the base of the paint, which push the paint upwards, creating blisters. The moisture accumulation is usually due to inadequate cleaning before application. Another reason blistering can occur is uneven drying times between paint layers. If the top layer of paint dries before the bottom layer, the gaseous solvent trying to evaporate from the lower paint layer will become trapped and push the top layer, creating blisters. Finally, we're going to discuss how important is adhesion to avoid blistering problems. If for various reasons the paint does not adhere well to the substrate, vacuum pockets will form in the contact area. Moisture from the environment can also enter from the outside through osmosis. Moisture could also accumulate in those pockets, and with temperature increases, expand and push the paint, creating blisters. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cosmos Coatings. See you in the next video.